Hello, the North Carolina Community College System is excited to tell you about an incredible opportunity coming up this spring, the 2025 Immersive Learning Conference, taking place May 20th through May 22nd at the Caraway Conference Center in Sophia, North Carolina. This year, we're focusing on biotechnology and how cutting-edge immersive technologies like virtual reality, augmented reality, and extended reality are revolutionizing education and workforce training in this field. Imagine tools that bring biotechnology concepts to life, from virtual labs to simulated environments that prepare students for real-world challenges. That's what this conference is all about. Whether you're a faculty member, a program director, or part of your college leadership team, this event is designed for you. You'll have the chance to participate in hands-on workshops, learn directly from industry experts, and collaborate with peers from across the state. It's a unique opportunity to explore innovative strategies and gain practical insights that can transform your teaching and advising. But here's the thing, space is limited, and we want to ensure a broad representation of voices from all 58 of our community colleges. So if you're interested in attending or presenting, now's the time to take action. Applications to attend and proposals to present are listed on the System Office website. This is your chance to be part of shaping the future of biotechnology education in North Carolina. Don't miss it. Visit our website for more information and to submit your application. I hope to see you there. Thanks for watching, and I can't wait to collaborate with you this May.